We will learn about jobs in ScriptRunner. Okay, what is the meaning of that and how it's useful. So just example, let me show you. Search for issues, issue status is equal to to do. Okay, you can see this and project equal to JT Jira test. Click on search, save as JT status. You can see all are in the to do status. Okay, and all are updated 27th of May. Okay, all are created 23rd of May. Okay, I will show you what I want to do. Just click on create jobs. I want to create a custom field or escalation services, or do you want to archive job? Okay, I want to archive issue. Why I want to archive issue? Because this old issue I don't want. Okay, let me reporter assigning. So I can create a difference between all are the unassigned, right? Let me open this ticket and assign to me. Okay, now refresh the page. Assign is there, just take it here. Assign is Jira SME. Now I want to archive this issue. How I can do that one? Come here, Jira query. Okay, user Jira SME. When you want to run this one, run every minute. Okay, what is your JQL? And assigning equal to Jira SME. Click on search. Only one issue is there, right? Just copy this one, go here, refresh, paste it, click on run now. Okay, please add a note, change. Just click on run now. Okay, this issue will be archived. Click on search. This issue got archived. Okay, now this kind of thing I want to do in every 7 days. I want to archive old issues. So like this, just create a job, provide the data, all your data, like in every 15 minutes or run on Saturday nights. You can, based on your expression, cron expression, you can provide the data, and just click on add. Okay, this got added. No delay in last execution. It will run in every 1 minute. Okay, it will take and it will change the data. Okay, so like this you can archive issue, archive, you can create archive job. Let me show you another job. Click on create job. Now I want escalation services. Okay, no anything, user Jira SME. Okay, example, run every minute, JQL query, remove this one, search. Okay, I don't want. Okay, what I want here, I want to change, I want to create start progress, I want to change the status. Okay, if there is any permission is there, you can click on skip permission, skip addition, everything. Okay, click on add. Okay, it will run in a, is not yet run, so you cannot see. Currently you can see these many. Just wait for 1 minute, one more minute, and after that you will not be able to see these status, these issues. It will change. Let me open this in the new tab so we can verify. It's under to do. Let me show you some other one. It's in the to do, right? Click on history. You can see it's a resolution only we have changed with the help of ScriptRunner only. Okay, come here, click on search, 1 minute is not yet done. It's not yet done, or it's got failed. Okay, if it's failing, then you can come here, you can check if nothing got changed, but your job got failed. Click on here. Okay, you can check your logs why it got failed. Failed action 4 not valid for, okay, JT9 it's not valid. Okay, if there is any problem is there, you can check. Action 4 is not valid for JT8 also. Okay, you will get this kind of data, this kind of log. Now come here, click on edit. Now what I want to do, I want to change something. You can see there are different type of your workflow is available. I have selected the wrong one, that's why it wasn't working. Now click on run now and click on update also. It ran or not. Click on search, it ran, it's changed automatically. Okay, come here, refresh the page, all are in the in progress. It's changed by this user, I can see it. So you can see, so if your requirement like in every after 4 days whatever ticket is there in the in progress, I want to close the tickets. So with the help of this jobs, ScriptRunner jobs, you can do that one. Let me show you the last one as well. Also create job, custom schedule job, run your. So if you want to create your script, you are good with the script, you can create it the script, and whatever changes you want to do, you can do that one as well. Okay, thank you for watching.